Hey guys, welcome to cjvlogs, and if you are watching this video, chances are you are a OnePlus fan just like me. So I have got here with myself the invite to the launch event of OnePlus 6 to be held in Mumbai. Let's unbox the invite together and find out what's inside. So shall we go?
What we do here is go back.
To see what's behind these closed doors. But I promise you
Now that you have seen what's inside the box, let's talk about the excitement for the OnePlus 6 launch. They've made me super excited about the OnePlus 6 launch. Now we know that OnePlus 6 is going to have glass front and glass back, and I'm too excited for that to see how they have made it, because this is the first time OnePlus will use glass on its device at the back. What do you guys think? Do let me know your comments down below and share this video with all your friends. Also, I'll be vlogging and giving my hands-on impressions on this channel. So subscribe for more coverage on OnePlus 6. This is CJ Vlog signing out.